update on the Skyline build. It's in with our body shop at the moment here on site. Oh, very bright. And we're going to get a quick update and see what she's looking like at the moment. In pieces, but new wide body kit going on. So they're currently sanding the car down at the moment. Brand new rear bumper as well. Even got the brand new bumper and splitter. It's hard to see how this is going to become the Skyline that we all know and love from the Fast and Furious franchise. Please don't let me interrupt you.
At this point, the body shop guys have worked their magic, making sure the original body is as smooth and free from imperfections as possible. That means pulling and fixing any dents, sparingly using body filler to keep it all smooth, and checking panel alignment too. From there, the body kit is custom fitted to the car. Even though it's a kit, there are still adjustments being made to the fitment to blend it to the rest of the body.
Always handy having an in-house body shop to do work like this on site. Cue the music. We're now working on getting the whole thing masked over, so anything that we don't want primer on is all getting masked. There's 4 layers of primer to go on, which are then going to be sanded back. Make sure the quality is all lovely before then applying that final coat of paint in those Fast and Furious colours. I've got the body nice and smooth all the way through. That's what all the hard work is. That's what these guys are doing right now by hand to make sure every line is beautiful.
Even a kit designed for the car out of the box gets the full prep treatment. Our guys give the kit just as much attention as the rest of the car to make sure it's ready for that high quality paint. Right up to the point of applying the first layer of primer, the guys are still going over the entire car by hand to remove any blemishes that would ultimately show in the final finish. Even masking the car is an art in itself. It's not just a case of slapping on as much masking tape as possible. You need smooth, clean lines so you don't get paint on anything you don't want.
Skyline's back to a single colour. So primer's on. The plan today is to go over any of the imperfections, flatten it back a bit more, ready for that final coat of Fast and Furious paint. We're getting close now. And the Skyline is finally going to get that gorgeous lick of silver paint, just like the second Fast and Furious movie. Everything's getting wiped down and prepped as we speak. So you might notice from the squelching on the floor, they've actually damped the floor in here, and that's to help keep all of the dust down so you get as little contaminants in here as possible. As you can see, we're in a dedicated spray booth, so extraction everywhere to try and keep it as clean as possible. All weekend they have been working on making this as smooth as possible. A lot of work goes into this. This is what our paint guy wears. Absolute full protection. This is what he gives to me. I'm now going to leave this in the hands of the professionals, and that doesn't mean someone with a rattle can, and we're going to see how this Skyline turns out. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Make sure you get your handiwork all photographed, yeah?
Moments before he starts applying the paint, he uses the spray gun for one last blast of air just to make sure there are no contaminants on the surface. This is just the first coat, and it's important to get a consistent covering. This will then be built up to make sure that all you see is silver.
Refilled and ready to go. You reloaded? Reloaded? Hey! 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 You stay away from me with that.
Don't worry, the electricity meter hasn't run out. He's now checking in the dark to ensure all areas are covered. Using a torch is easy to see the sprayed and unsprayed areas due to the reflective silver paint.
Right. We'll leave that in their capable hands and come back and see it later when it's all finished. Quick update from the paint shop. That's it now, the Skyline has been released from the body shop, for now at least. So we can finally start getting on with the big stuff. Are you ready?
What? What for?
Oh, getting the Skyline back together.
Oh.
Yeah,
yeah, but not right now.
Next episode, more parts. And a really big shopping list for the inside. Bye!